You will use TinkerCad to simulate this circuit. In this circuit, we are using this IC, which is called 7432. IC is a built-in circuit that has the logic gate OR. Instead of using 2 push buttons, I used 2 slide switches. It's easier for simulation. We don't need to hold them. To find this IC, make sure here you have all components, choose all. Then here you have only to type 7432. You find it. You mount it here. I needed to rotate it in order to have an easy layout similar to this one. Make sure you change the values of your resistors. Here we have 220, 220, 10K, 10K, and here also 220 as given in this circuit. Now this is a voltage regulator 7805. You need here only to type 7805. You find it. You see, then place it here and complete your connections. I want now to delete one of the wires and show you how to make a neat layout. Like, let me delete this wire, for example. As per this circuit, we have here the power pin. Here we get the power. We need to connect the power pin to each one of the push buttons and to the output of the voltage regulator. Now, if you click here, make sure you reach the pin and you get this red highlight, you see? Now, if we only go like that, it won't be neat. You see, the wires will be upon each other. So you click here, move here, click, then go up, then click again, then move, then click again, then move. Here you can't connect in TinkerCad. It should be a red highlighted pin. So okay, I will click here, then I'll move to reach here, you see, until I see this red highlight. Now I can connect it. Please have your wires colorful. I don't want to see the same circuit for the whole class. We have lots of wires, lots of colors, I mean. Please have your wires colorful. Even the color of the LED you can change. Now these 2 push buttons are connected both to this point, you see, to the output of the voltage regulator. I connected them like that. This slide switch, please notice we don't use the first and the third one, that is terminal 1 and terminal 2. No, we need one of the terminals with the common point to be used. Please be careful. This resistor here, you see how I tried to have the wire neat. Let me delete it and show you again. Now here I have to connect it here or here. It's the same, but I wanted to have a vertical line like that. So click here, then go like that. You see? Now again we can change the color of it. Let's take yellow. You see? Please have a neat circuit. To simulate your circuit, we need to start simulation. Now both the switches are off and my LED is off. Is this correct for OR gate? Yes. When these 2 are off, 0, 0, my output is 0. Now one of them will be on, so the output is on. Both of them are on, the output is on. Let's take only the second one on, the LED is on. This is the function of OR gate. Now you have a question to write about these pins. What are the function of them? TinkerCad is giving them easily. 1A is an input. So in the table you need to write input. The second 1B is also an input. Then 1Y is an output. And what is this pin? It's a ground point, while this one is a power. VCC means power.